Hey everyone, it's me, Luminary. I've got a really lengthy video for you guys, since this is basically like days of work condensed into one video. I really reskinned the Pico Mix of Stress with my OC, Zoe. I was enjoying it like way too much, and I thought it'd be a great opportunity to kind of show my process and give some tips on how I animate in Adobe Animate. People do ask me a lot, and honestly, I didn't know how to go about a tutorial, so I guess this is the closest thing you guys are gonna get to that. I basically animated everything except for the mist sprites. I was struggling to find a brush to replicate the style of the sprites itself, so I just decided to exclude them for now. Now, before I delve too deep into the process, this video would not have been possible at all without the generosity of VEIKK, who had the kind heart to send me their Studio 16 pen display drawing tablet to review. I used their drawing tablet during the entire process of animating these past couple of days, so I truly do owe them my thanks. Now for the review. I want to thank VEIKK again for making this video possible. I had just recently had no way of using my usual drawing tablet, as my cat decided to play with the charger cord of the pen, making my tablet completely useless. Luckily, for this tablet, you don't need a charger at all, and it's a miracle worker. VEIKK's VEIKK 1600 Studio 16 pen display tablet is a 15.6-inch drawing tablet for your computer. It works in 1920 to 1080 resolution and has battery-free pens with an S. There's a skinnier pen with a nub on the end and a much thicker one. I personally use the thicker one, it's much more comfortable for me. But you have the option. Here I have all that's included in the box and what its use is. There are also instructions on how to properly set up the tablet depending on your device. Setting this tablet up was incredibly easy, and it works great! I adjusted relatively quickly and I am truly in love with it. It's lightweight and is the perfect size for my desk. The colors are actually pretty accurate in comparison to other tablets I've used, since I usually need another monitor to reference from when drawing on my computer, hence why I usually avoid it. It's been so good on my eyes to have a tablet with good color performance, so big props to them. But overall, using this tablet has been incredibly splendid. The quick dial on the top left corner of the tablet is my favorite feature of it. I use it to zoom in and out of my canvases, and it's become muscle memory so quickly. I think it's so much better than having to constantly push buttons and helps with the flow of creating and makes it so much easier to animate. I really appreciate VEIKK for sending me their tablet. I am not disappointed one bit in how it performs. I highly recommend artists out there give this tablet a chance, so please consider checking out my description if this is a tablet you'd consider buying. Now, let's get animating. I understand why they named it Stress. Because I was so stressed out producing this video. You know the Take Man sprites I edited? Gone. The FLAs were completely erased. My computer wiped them out. Luckily, I exported them as a sprite sheet, but they don't work right in game. I don't know how to fix it. I have no clue why it's ignoring some of my sprites in the sprite sheet. It's there, but it isn't. Oh, God. Exporting the cutscene was also a pain in my ass. The camera that was used in the cutscene made it nearly impossible to export, constantly giving me a stupid error message. Error initializing Java runtime environment. You may need to reinstall. So I did. I reinstalled it, and it still didn't work. So I had to go into OBS, press the little play button in the top right corner of Adobe Animate, and screen record the playback. Which is why the quality of the video is so damn crunchy. Then I had to go into ToonSquid and use their camera feature to manually tween it myself, which meant I had to sacrifice Otis's intro animation since it literally was cropped out in the screen recording. I also couldn't figure out how to import the death animation, so that's more of my efforts down the drain. But at least some of the sprites worked. It technically modded the game, even though it isn't perfect how I really wanted it to be. You know, I think it's about time I focus my energy on the arrow keys and see my hard work in action. Let's play.
Back for some tasty revenge, huh? Oh, that's cute. Boys, light 'em up. Oh, come on. Who the fuck is this knockoff? All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
Singing that was cool and all, but I just want to let you know that was insanely painful. Assholes.
Oh my god.
I did it. Even though it was incredibly choppy and it didn't turn out really at all the way I wanted it to, I did it. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed self-inserting my character into the universe and actually seeing her in game. I want to say thanks to whoever watched all the way to the end. Like, it means a lot. I would love to do more long-form videos like these, but the algorithm is my biggest enemy when it comes to stuff like this, so I'm not so sure. As a thank you for supporting me in my ideas, I would like to gift you all the FLAs that I edited. Sadly, the Tankman ones have been obliterated completely, so there's just no getting those back. But I'll include a sprite sheet in his XML file anyways. Thanks again. You know, maybe someday I'll make a real mod. A mod with my own characters instead of constantly editing what's already in the game. A mod with my own music and my own everything. You know, wouldn't that be fun?